Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, my dear students? I hope that all of you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also fine. Today we shall learn how to change narration or how to change space from direct to indirect and from indirect to direct. So, first of all, I would like to inform you that there are two types of narrations. One is direct narration and another is indirect narration. So, you have to know what is direct narration and what is indirect narration. Okay, look at the whiteboard. Raju said, then comma, inverted comma, I am busy. Again, inverted comma, this is direct narration. So what is the characteristic of direct narration? We shall get comma after reporting verb or after the object of reporting verb, and then inverted comma, then statement, then again inverted comma. So this is called direct narration, and in the direct narration, the subject of reporting verb directly says something. That means the statement in between inverted comma is the direct statement of subject. This is called direct narration. And indirect narration, follow me. Raju said that there is no comma and no inverted comma, that he was busy. Here, when we get I means Raju, and Raju directly said that, and in this sentence another person said about Raju. Raju said that he was busy. There is no inverted comma in this sentence. So this is indirect space. And now, before learning how to change narration from direct to indirect, we have to learn what is reporting verb and what is reported space. Follow me. Polash said, comma, inverted comma, I am happy, inverted comma. The verb before inverted comma is called reporting verb. The verb of the subject is called reporting verb, and this is reporting part of the narration. And the verb in between inverted comma is called reported verb, and the whole sentence is called reported space. That means I am busy. This is reported space. Okay. So if we get any part in between inverted comma, this is called reported space, and the verb before inverted comma is called reporting verb. Does it make sense? I think all of you are clear. Okay. Now come to the next sentence. How many changes are occurred in the space? That means from direct to indirect space. Okay, follow me. Shumana said to me, comma, inverted comma, I am singing now. This is direct space, and when we shall change this direct space into indirect, we shall make 5 changes. Follow me. First of all, reporting verb. Reporting verb should be changed. Reporting verb sometimes must be changed. Here, instead of said to, I have told, I have written told, and then object, instead of comma, I have written here that. That means number 2. Number 3, here I is transmitted to she, and then am is transmitted to was. Singing, and then now is transmitted to done. Okay. Actually, in if we want to change from direct to indirect, we shall have to change 5 portion of the sentence. Okay. First of all, the reporting verb should be changed. Number 1, number 2, comma should be changed into any connectors. Here I have used that, but that will not be used always. There are some connectors which will be used here according to the sentence in between inverted comma. Okay. Now person will be changed, verb will be changed, and some time phrases will be changed. So there are 5 sentences, and I shall teach you one after another the 5 sentences. That means it will take few classes, because changing narration is a big portion and it will take some classes to understand. I shall show you all of the changes chronologically, one by one from the next class. Since this is the first class about narration, I shall show you the primary knowledge, and I hope that if you watch this video again and again, it will be clear to you. And thank you very much. No more today, dear students. Keep watching.